camera. 16MP rear camera is a solid snapper for the price tag. 8MP front camera suffices for snap cut and selfies. The Nokia 6 boasts a 16MP camera on its rear, which for a low-cost handset isn't a bad spec to have on the sheet, and for the most part it's a solid snapper. The camera block, which also houses the dual-tone LED flash, protrudes slightly from the back of the phone, which did make us nervous when plonking it down on a hard surface, so we recommend treating it with a little care to protect the lens. On screen, the camera app is pretty straightforward, with a centralized shutter key flanked by a video recording button and a link to your gallery. At the top of the display, quick settings for HDR, flash and timer are joined by the toggle that switches you between the front and rear cameras. The 16MP rear camera is a solid offering. Delving into the settings menu, there's not a great deal to write home about, and there's no pro or manual mode for those who like to tweak settings such as ISO or shutter speed. The large 5.5-inch Full HD display works well as a viewfinder, while you can use the volume keys on the side of the handset as a shutter button, which is sometimes easier than stretching for the on-screen button. It's a simplistic offering then, but one that works well in most scenarios. Images shot in good light tend to have good detail and depth, but the Nokia 6 can struggle a little in low light and indoors. Its camera is comfortably better than those on the Nokia 3 and Nokia 5 though. Round the front, the 8MP selfie snapper is more than serviceable for the occasional vanity shot, or a quick video chat or snap cut recording.